Hey Pro Bono crew, it's Claire Desira here and I'm back with another mindset hack for your Monday morning. Now, we're not long back from delivering a keynote speech at the Good Shepherd Microfinance Conference up in Sydney. Now, the people in the audience here, people that we take our hats off to every single day for the work that they do, supporting people to access microfinance and access safety and shelter, and really supporting people when they're certainly in times of need. These roles take a lot of resilience, and so our hats definitely go off for people in these generous and change-making careers that are just so important. One of the things that we spoke about at this conference was about the importance of slowing down to go faster. In fact, we talked a lot about mindset and resilience and how positive thinking is just not enough, but one of the key points was around slowing down to go faster and what happens when we actually slow down. What opportunities it opens up, how we can look after our brain when we do this, and how we can actually have a bigger impact. Now, one way to remind us to slow down to go faster during this crazy, busy, very connected world is to set reminders, to simply set ourselves reminders through the day to slow down so we can go faster. One way to do this is to think about something that happens for you on a regular basis during the day. It could be, for example, your phone ringing, but really no one really uses their phone that much anymore. So maybe think about when you get a text message, or perhaps if you're in the car a lot when you're at a red light, or perhaps when the email ping comes through. I wouldn't have time to do that with all the emails that we get these days, that everybody gets these days. But yeah, some other thing that happens regularly through the day as a reminder. And say, for example, when you get a text message, instead of racing to grab it and read it and respond, just actually take 1 minute and take some nice deep breaths. By doing this, you're really making sure your brain's getting more oxygen. You're activating your parasympathetic nervous system, which is really important to look after our health and our brain. And you'd be surprised how just 1 minute of breathing or 5 deep breaths can actually make a big difference. Now, this is certainly something that we need to practice. So by having that anchor, like every time you get a text message or a red light or an email, by doing it then, you're actually getting a chance to practice this while you're maybe leveled out, so that then when you do actually need to call on this technique when you're feeling stressed or something goes wrong, then you're really well practiced at it. So it can make an even bigger difference. So hopefully that helps. It's a challenge for you this week. Decide what your anchor is, set it, and just take those breaths. And one last thing, we really love doing that work with Good Shepherd Microfinance and working with people that are in generous and change-making careers, really helping them to understand the simple ways that they can change their brain, slow down, go faster, and have a bigger impact. So if you've got any events coming up, any conferences or training that could really value this type of content, then please reach out and we'd love to have a chat about how we can help. Have a great week. Thanks so much.